How to share your iPhone's internet to your laptop. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Static Studio, and today I'll show you how you can use your iPhone's internet on your laptop. It's super easy, so let's jump right into the video. Well, so now to do this process, first thing first, make sure you have enabled the mobile data on your iPhone, and then simply go ahead and tap on the settings button, and then scroll down, tap on cellular here. And once you're here inside this one, go ahead and tap on personal hotspot. And first thing first, you just enable this option, allow other to join, and here get the password option. You just need to tap on this one and you can actually customize the password from here. I'm not gonna do this one. You just need to tap on done and make sure to remember the password. And once you do this process, you're pretty much good to go. Just get back from here and come to your computer screen. And from your computer, if I go to the bottom left right here, you'll get to see the Wi-Fi. So you just need to turn on the Wi-Fi and you just need to look for your available device. So you'll get to see my iPhone is showing up right here. Just gonna tap on this one, and this will actually record the password that you have recently seen on your iPhone. So you just need to enter the password here and tap on connect, and your iPhone's internet will be connected to your laptop. And this is how you actually can share your iPhone's internet with the laptop. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.